A tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Hardeman, northwestern McNairy, and southwestern Chester counties. At 2:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Bolivar, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include 40 Forks, Hornsby, Rose Creek, Pine Top, Bethel Springs, Massaville, Woodville, Chickasaw State Forest, McNairy, Lacey, Sillerton, Hickory Corners, Montezuma, Bolivar, Hebron, Robertson, Purdy, Shandy, Selmer, and Finger. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Chester, Hardeman, and McNairy.